Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be doing I really want to do a spiderweb eyeliner. I feel like it's right up my alley, at least for Halloween. I'm not very much into the intricate like crazy Halloween makeup because I can't wear it to work, so I always like to keep it a little bit interesting and cute by incorporating some Halloween into my eyeliner. I've already applied my base, I've applied my concealer, and I've applied my blush. I did use a concealer that's a little bit lighter than my skin color. That's why my neck and my face are different colors, but that is okay. We're gonna start off by doing a nice eyeshadow base. For this, I don't want anything too dark because we definitely don't want to take away from the depth of the spider web. I think that I'm just going to use one of my Naked palettes. I'm going to use the Naked 2 palette. And I'm just going to go in with a really light brown for the crease. I am going to use the color Suspect. It has like very nice cute little shimmer. I'm literally just going in like very lightly, just in the corner here, just to add some depth to the eye, nothing too intense. For the inner corner, you can choose to use sparkle or you don't have to have sparkle. I'm gonna reassess that situation after I'm done doing the actual eyeliner. So for now, I'm just gonna use like a nice light color, and we'll keep the same palette. I'm gonna use Booty Call, which is this. Oh my. This light color right here. So little. It's literally just to like set the concealer on top of the eyes so you don't get like smudges. We're gonna go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and I'm gonna do my normal wing just how I usually do. You can get really creative here too, so you can actually even close this off in the top and then create like a spider web on top of that if you have enough space on your eyelids. I do like that look. I think it looks really nice. But for today, I think I'm just gonna focus on creating an extension essentially to the wing itself. For the actual spider web, I'm going to use a gray color, and this is the Lime Crime in Misty. I just really like how pointed the brush is. We're gonna create some lines here. We're gonna do our longest line as probably the third line here, so looking at all my different mirrors. So it's nice and thin here. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna add gems on top. So oh my gosh, my little dog is under me and he just kicked. But it's okay because, you know, spider webs are a little messy anyway. Okay. There we go. So this is just the base of what we're gonna do. we're gonna go in with some rhinestones and make it look nice and rhinestoney. For these, I'm actually gonna use the colored rhinestones here. For the part of the web, like the legs of the web, I'm gonna use a thicker rhinestone, and then of course for the smaller, I'm gonna use the smallest rhinestone. I'm going to use eyelash glue for this. And I really like the duo glue, the sensitive one. Tweezers. And I think I'm gonna go with the second biggest. I'm just gonna scoop out a couple with my nail here. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So slow. Tip it up a little bit. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna start with these lines here. You want to work in small sections at a time so that your glue doesn't dry out. Perfect. So one of our lines is done. And you don't have to do it glitter everything, but I really like rhinestones. I think that they add a lot of life into literally everything. And just remember, you have to work a little bit fast so that your glue doesn't dry. I'm gonna finish these long ones and then I will show you how the little ones look with it. All right, so as of right now, this is what we have with our longer. We're gonna go in with the really tiny ones and try our best to put them on these lines. I was also thinking like maybe I could add like a little spider at the end with rhinestones. So we'll see what our eye looks like all done. And then we'll make that executive decision. Honestly, I would even recommend getting like one of those really precise, very precise tweezers. Do this. Honestly, it's just a game of patience doing this because it takes a little while, but it looks really cute. Probably just add like one there. Like you can barely add anything there. I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara, do some eyelashes, put my eyebrows on, and or fix my eyebrows, and then we'll make the executive decision. Being bilingual sometimes is like, what the hell am I saying? The executive decision whether or not we want to add a little spider or something. I think it might be cute. Maybe we can add the spider like on top. Not sure yet, but mascara and then moving on. Just pop around there. Okay. Cute. My god, like the shadows from the light from outside just hit my mirror and it looked like a portal had opened and I thought I was tripping. Oh my god. Eyeliner on the bottom. I'm going to use the Dior On Stage Crayon. Wrong side. And just do like a nice, this is in the color brown because I don't like it to be too intense. Just a little bit of love. Don't pull your eye down if you can avoid it. so you get wrinkles. And of course, sometimes I really prefer my eyeliner not to look so thick, like in the front here. I feel like it just does not look cute. So you can just take a little Q-tip, and just clean her up a little bit. So it's just a shadow. And then sometimes, like if that doesn't work, I'll just go in a little bit with my blender, a little beauty blender. And it helps like disguise that a lot. So far, this is what we have. We have our little spider web. You can finish here if you like just a little spider web look. Looks really cute, honestly. Like, it's just like that, like it's a little bit of like a, hey girl. So we can add the spider, and I want to kind of add it like just here at the end where we have this longer one. And I'm going to use black rhinestones. I don't even think I'm going to draw it out. I think I'm just going to use the black rhinestones and then draw its little feet. Its legs. They don't got no feet. They got legs. I'm going to get like the biggest rhinestone for the body of the snake. The body of the spider. Lord, help me. And just 2 little dots. Little butt, cute, and little head. There we go. Kind of looks like a little ant, but it's okay. This is it. Really nice, really easy. I think it's so simple. You could do like a nice lip combo, and I feel like I could literally go to work in this, which is what I like. Throw on like some nice like spider earrings and you're good to go. But thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and that it was nice and easy. Let me know if you create this look.